Hey everyone! Want to know the secret to unlocking your inner power? It's all about how you carry yourself and the choices you make every day. Stop looking for outside approval. The only validation you need comes from within. Be unapologetically you, because your authenticity is your greatest strength. Next, pay attention to your posture. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and hold your head high. This simple change in body language instantly projects confidence, not just to others but to yourself as well. When you make a promise, keep it. Following through on your commitments, big or small, builds a powerful reputation for reliability and trust. Don't let the opinions of others hold you back. Living free from their judgment is the ultimate form of independence. And finally, be a creator, not a waiter. Don't sit around hoping for opportunities to fall into your lap. Go out there and make them happen. Take initiative and shape your own destiny. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Hey everyone, ready to unlock a more powerful version of yourself? Let's talk about building real presence. First, stop seeking validation. Your worth isn't determined by others' approval. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. True confidence comes from within, not from external praise. Next, check your posture. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, and hold your head high. This simple physical change can dramatically shift how you feel and how others perceive you. Also, be a person of your word. When you make a commitment, see it through. This builds trust not just with others, but with yourself. Don't let the fear of judgment hold you back. Live your life on your own terms. Finally, be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to fall into your lap. Go out and create them. You are the architect of your own life. Start building that strong foundation today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.